Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to take a look at this residential patio here. So we have this structure that's existing, and they have a reclining area here. So let's go ahead and look at the dimensions. Overall dimensions is 12 feet by 12 feet. I have a height of this post that goes up to this beam here of roughly 8 feet 4 inches, and then to the next level up here, this beam coming across here, the bottom of that is 9 feet 9 feet 1/4 inch, and I think that's all we need for this moment. There's two different options you can go. You can go with a heater placed in this fashion, or you can go with a heater placed in this fashion. In either case, our clearance is going to be based off of this beam right here. These are I have 34s placed here. That's why the clearance is 13 inches above the heater, and that's again to this. You could go with a 25,000 BTU heater and push the heater a little bit up higher, but 25,000 BTU heaters usually are something I place just about to this height, but no higher. I try to stick them about 7 feet off the ground, and if you were to try to push the heater up higher, then it's like almost not enough heat, especially with this application here. This application here is up on the bluff near the ocean, so you get this marine layer that comes in, and that moisture definitely makes it a little bit cooler in different times of the season. So I would really recommend a 34,000 BTU use, especially for the winter months here in Southern California. So let's go ahead and just look at the heights of the heater itself. I got 7'3" off the ground. I have them at 8 foot 1.5 or 1 5/16 rather, and that's only because I don't have the exact placement of this truss or trellis piece here. So whatever that ends up being is adequate, as long as you're around that 8 foot. It could be 7'9", it could be 8'2", somewhere like that. Let's look at the array that you're going to have. This footprint of heat is going to penetrate the area fairly well. I know this is a table for this customer, so if you were able to get them a little bit closer, that might be a little bit more beneficial. Especially if you're looking to heat up the center area for other purposes. Let's say you might change this into a dining space or something of that nature. So that's kind of a critical decision. And then, the customer had a question in reference to the bracket. So let's look over here real quick. The common bracket that you would use, let's move over here real quick. So the common bracket that you have is a 6-inch wide bracket, and what I suggested that they do is eliminate that bracket from the manufacturer and go with one that you could just get from a Home Depot or something of that nature, where it's just this little angle piece here. This is used for a strut. You can see that the holes aren't going to line up, but you could either re-drill or widen that hole to make it fit the application. You could actually just cut this if that's the what you're looking for, cutting this and then putting a new bolt into there, and of course then just bolting it, nice lag screw up here. These heaters weigh about 48 pounds, so 2 of those could support this heater without a problem. I've seen it done numerous times. So that's that. And then they also were questioning about the electrical hookup. I know they have a junction box located here somewhere, and then you would just run from your 110 to a transformer box, and then from the transformer box up to a switch plate. These are 34,000s, or you could use a TSH. A TSH would require it's kind of like a custom duplex switch, and then from there you'd run up, go with your gas line up to the heater location. And one last thing, because the heater is in a somewhat windy area, there is some wind blocks around this property, but you want to have the control side. So the gas side would come in from, back over here, come around, and then come into this side of the heater itself, so that the controls are on the upwind side. So there you have it. If there's any questions, please feel free to give us a call. I'm Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. If you are looking to have some help with your outdoor heating application, just email us at support@patioheat.com. You know, it's you could just send us a image of your patio, or with some measurements rather, and or maybe a floor plan drawing would work as well. Thank you and have a great day.